So you're just going to take and put the weights on your body, somewhere where you're not hurting your hip bones, preferably. And then just going to make sure our feet are nice and planted on the floor. And for every exercise we do, we're going to be doing 10. And just make sure the shoulder blades are nice and kind of pushed down and back. And then we're going to just pick up our butt and just come right up and then squeeze at the top and come back down. And then just do this, basically. So I believe that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? And then for our next exercise, we're basically going to be beginning where we kind of left off. We're going to be picking up once again. And then for this one, you're just going to open your legs up and you're going to come back to center again. And once again, we're going to squeeze the glutes. We're pretty much going to be squeezing the glutes the entire time. Goes to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then come down. Whew, you feel that. And we're going to flip over on our side. For our next exercise, we're going to take the weight and we're going to put it on here and then to pick up. So this is clamshells basically with a weight. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we get to do it on the other side as well. So just flip over. And if you're to the point of being able to do medium to advanced hip replacement, post-hip replacement exercises, you should certainly be able to flip on your other side without it being a problem at this point. So, well, that's actually really hard. I think it's because I was kind of balancing before. So 1, I think 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, okay. So I don't want to just torture the outer part of your thigh and your butt and all of that stuff. So we're also going to be doing some inner thigh lifts. So for this one, let's see. What you can do is you can put a weight on here. It's already going to be a bit challenging to begin with, but if you'd like, you can torture yourself even more and put a weight on there. And we're just going to lift like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, and we gotta do it on the other side. So now on the other side, just going to do the same thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I believe it was 10. Okay. Okay. So for this next exercise, I'm going to be working the outer thigh, and I'm going to basically be doing something like what we just did, but with the outer thigh. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay? And of course we gotta do it on the other side, so. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a lot harder when you come off the leg that we were kind of using to support and then try to use it afterwards. For our final exercise, we're going to take the weight and put it on here once again, and then you're going to pick up your leg and you're just going to take it front and back. So 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, do it on the other side. So, got the leg, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Whew.